Welcome. If you're looking to tidy up your Messenger inbox or simply want to remove a message from your view, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to delete your messages for you on Messenger, making sure your chat stays organized and clutter-free. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, scroll through your list of conversations and tap on the chat where the message you want to delete is located. This will open the conversation and display all the messages exchanged. Now, find the specific message you'd like to remove from your view. Press and hold your finger on that message. After a second, a menu will appear on your screen with several options. Look for the option that says Delete or Remove. Tap on it. You'll then see two choices: Delete for you and sometimes Delete for everyone. For this tutorial, select Delete for you. This action will remove the message only from your side of the conversation. The other person in the chat will still see the message, but it will no longer appear in your Messenger app. A confirmation prompt may pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete the message. Tap Delete to confirm, and just like that, the message disappears from your chat history. It's that simple. Deleting messages for yourself is a great way to keep your conversations neat and remove anything you no longer need to see. Remember, this process only deletes the message from your view. It won't affect what the other person sees. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips to make the most of your Messenger experience. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.